Hey, this is Kevin Rail, Chief Fitness Advisor for Pine Palm Superfoods and Train for Longevity. Now today we're going to address something that's very dear to my heart, and it is called veganism versus plant-based. As you can see, we are in my kitchen, so I think it's adequately that I'm standing in my kitchen as opposed to out on the gym floor because we're talking about food today and nutrition. Now here's the deal. Vegan and plant-based are not synonymous terms. The difference is this. Vegan is anything that is non-animal. Plant-based is anything that's non-animal but literally comes or derives from a plant. So for example, let's look at these things. I got these vegan cornbread muffins the other day at Whole Foods. Is this plant-based or vegan? There's your first quiz of the day. Very simple answer. It's vegan. It's not plant-based. There are ingredients in here that do not derive from plants. So this has nothing to do with an animal. There's no honey, there's no milk solids, there's no dairy, there's no cheese, there's no nothing in here. However, this is sort of processed a little bit. So it's vegan, it's not plant-based. If this was made from all plants and it was raw, different story. Now, these things, delicious. They're made from the Unreal Company, which I really like. These are peanut butter cups, but they are also vegan because there's sugar and there's some other things added to them that are not derived from plants. Vegan, not plant-based. So if you're following a plant-based diet, don't eat stuff like this and go around town bragging to everybody that you're plant-based because you're not plant-based. You're vegan. And there's nothing wrong with that at all. Just admit it, okay? Now, I just whipped some of this up. What is this? It's not scrambled eggs. It's cauliflower made with red palm oil. Where is it? Right here. Red palm oil derives from a tree. Cauliflower is a plant. Plant-based. So if I literally sat here and ate this whole entire thing of cauliflower tonight for my dinner and nothing else, what would I be? A little louder? Correct. I would be following a plant-based diet. So the bottom line is this. There's nothing wrong with either one. Just know the difference. If you're vegan, then you might eat something like vegan cupcakes, vegan waffles, vegan peanut butter cups, stuff like that. So anyway, if it's kind of processed, then it's considered vegan. If it's completely derived from plants, it is plant-based. So if you eat like nuts and seeds and beans and grains and cauliflower and stuff like that, and your diet derives around all those things, and like fruits and stuff like that. Like, for example, I got some dried fruit right here. This is plant-based. Anything that comes from a plant, a tree, or something along those lines, or you can pull it out of the ground, is plant-based. Anything that is processed and you can find in a bag or boxed is vegan. Okay? I just wanted to clear the air on that. Now I got it off my chest. I worked up a little sweat. I even burn calories when I'm talking about food. And now it's time for me to go because I am starving and I just made that and it's time to eat. So, all that being the case, make sure to like and share our videos. This is K-Rail reporting live from my kitchen in Park City, Utah, and I am the Chief Fitness Advisor for Pine Palm Superfoods and Train for Longevity. Have a great night.